Are you right, my brother? I had a good week.
We're Devon. I just landed from Devon. I had to take the.
What were you part of the virgin testing thing down there? No, but it happened this week. You were in Durban. You just landed. What's your story?
Me, I don't tell. Me, I was never virgin. Me, I don't say I shombe. Talang shom. Talang chola me. I don't recall the last time I lost my virginity.
Really?
Yeah, I'm still my fishela and the next thing. No, you share what to snit. Saba busy mina naye.
Okay.
Yeah, ngobaba. Tala vele ngobaba. Beke you know mndlalo. Phela wena na moji phela ukhulele esingamleni. You guys went to crash. You guys had someone looking after you. They were teaching you English at home. You had your textbook ready and everything. Anginayo writing mina jo. Mina wonke mama selokishini umama. When ufunda kakhulu moji during the week no problem yazo let's also during the week I'm going for a facial uyaphi la yeah after the show man I'm going for a facial look at man awe ukuthi ringa nathi bakwenzeni ku facial ngoba usasenjengoba bonjalo nje. Come on. But this king, I need a facial, I need pedicure and manicure. And look at Puma can closet. But Somis is coming into what I love it. Let's do this. Somis is coming. We're sharing a room, man. But the probably was double point the single bed. I don't care as long as Somis is next to me. We are Puma going to closet. Share a bit. It's going to go to Sikai. Sikai, I'm sure relevant for Lentos as I have it. Uspino, my passage of Sugula Pana. It's serious. I get it wrong. Go gay. It's good. Gay is happy, Joe. It's great. Somis has been gay for over 20 years. Mandela, when he was in prison, Somis was gay, Joe. Can you imagine Mandela? Never and never again. Somis was like, hang then and ever. I said to imagine it. Yeah. Dalim pet, and when I get your bell again, I'm a facials.
Pedicure, manicure.
I call him unnecessary. Hey, how are you? Wow. Yeah. How's the traffic? Good night, traffic.
So, you know, I've had my Facebook page hijacked. What you hacked?
Really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Where are you
absolutely.
going with this?
And no. You know, I'm just showing sympathy for my minister. You know what I mean?
Minister of Sports. Minister of Sports.
Yeah, okay. I'm showing sympathy because it's happened to me.
So when you're saying Oprah Figzo, are you saying his account was hacked?
Yes, absolutely.
And it happens that he is just awake now, Nixon, to respond and delete at the same time. Oh, Wabra Bob.
I get it's hacked.
Yeah, they got to send them pictures. Can you overturn the tweet? Well, I got send them wrong. Injalento. Kanti yes super gila song yena beka uyayidlalela kuma DM kanti hayi lento live wonke umuntu uyibhekile kule country ile ndaba yokutweet ana ntombazana ihleli nayo nje injani minister right yes right ngithanda le lingerie hacked yani kanti password yakhe thini na sports.
I'm talking from experience here. I have had,
and then kwenzakalani kwa account
this person just kept talking to my followers.
Criminal follower.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Yo, it's Bob here. Hello. What time was it?
I cannot. I only found out about 2 days later.
Exact. 2 days later, bravo. Which is very valid. How you can't? Your account is hacked at 1 minute past 1. When at 3 minutes past 1, like, hey, yes, bang hack. It's like 1 minute ago, but I guess I actually done Rumabugela. All right. Nine TV. Oh, never will send the land. Yes, I like the opening of Parliament. Don't you want to show me something that is open? Open. Hey, let me if you glom cholana.
Why you say that?
This is my pastor begana out. Then out Ishatama twins. Kushangatama twins I two. Kushangatama twins I two. Obvious I'm twins I two dog. Like Ishatama twins.
Wow.
Yeah, and go grand by mara why umuntu afuna ukwenza lento le ngempilo kwenzakalani ngama-twins abanye bashade nama-twins uJimmy Tau udlala ngama-twins naye uJimmy Tau nawe usenzile and uJimmy Tau akazi ukuthi iliphi i-twins elimlimazile unokobheka athi yenina le-two omunye wena uyangijwayela leza ntwana ama-identical twins nina bo-DJ
Imagine if it happened to Tokyo.
Oh.
That would be a different story.
Yeah. Man, I second talk a little. I'm cool. My handle. Uchimu lowering at 200,000 drop up. Hey, sorry. If nang lowering at 200,000 rand, lomdeng lowering fanega benento as ning as important. Okay, la fanega driver's license. I was a swimmer, and everything or 2 exenang vus.
For what?
For 200,000. Everything or 2 baba vuka so iskhathi. For no reason nje bona ngangivuza baba so iskhathi sakho na u2. Good. 2 minutes past 2 ngiqede ngilale.
Every day.
Bro, 200,000.
Yeah.
Hey, abafazi aba 96 labo eTranskei or ePulukwane. Awuyazi kunabantu abalotshelwa ngama 1.8 lokushini uyazi mos. Usibotapelo nangu ushadile naye. Bamlawula ngamalini wona. 4.5 neinkukhu ezi3. Mvula mlomo boku i-clip rift. Clip rift bazokulobola. Umalume wakho azange sabona ndaba ukuthi imali inodile. Vula le bottle.
So this guy was on Mapasika's show.
Yes, 2 wives.
And he's got 2 wives and they're twins. And everything is fine.
Uthi happy. Hey, ngathi ngihlisho umuntu.
Yena vele uhappy yena.
Akekho
But
happy.
what about the girls?
Hayi kusho ukuthi ngento ayiphuzayo. Hey. Phela lethi ifuna imbiza prapop.
Yeah.
Hayi ilalela nje. Imeli yami i1, ihlupha i1. Baba i2 uzobenzana. Cabanga uPopo nokuthi namhlanje. I don't want to see my wife, Joe. I just want to go and have my day to myself.
So how do you think the president copes?
That's why ahlala ngekho la muntu.
Oh, come on, please.
Udela endlini. Athi vula igate, cabanga athi vula igate enkandla nangoma khomolo yashanyela athi, "Hey, kanobuya uthi hey nina, kaningibuya yani." Uthi ungena endlini omunye yashanyela hey baningi abantu bakadeni omunye yashanyela omunye yawasha omunye umenzele ibreakfast omunye uthatha ishower uthi woza ngapha akaza aqalephi mina ngishada abantu abayi2 angabana ngizibulala ngeke.
But you know, I'm not understanding why this week there was virgin testing
There was
and in Durban or in KZN, and you are from KZN as we speak. But I don't want to talk about that now because also there's the march for the DA that happened as well.
lebe hamba lega Parak Maimane. Lo zangu umlungu yangidina le baba leyana. La mntwana leyana. Let's do this, let's do what? Vote la mina ngeke.
Kaya FM.
Yabona brabo basova ngejazz. We're chilling emletsana. I don't know what's wrong with people from Soweto.
So Soweto Derby. And I don't know why you're wearing this top actually. What the hell?
Don't worry about my parents. We'll sort that one when we.
I'll let you fight it out.
No, kokela brabo. Siyabanye emletsana. Chillers in the weekend. They're playing nice jazz music. I'm like, this place is nice. It's cool.
Yeah.
Until 9 p.m. everything changed. Joe. Apparently they're selling limlenkom. Listen, Joe. They're selling an ox, like layinda
Tongue.
Yeah, tongue.
Not Itanga.
No, not Itanga.
Yeah.
I live in Gurafio. But limlenkom. I've never seen a man pass a soldier of Pomagan Jebsu for limlenkom. But like see Lily writing it. Yes, you share a logish lil. I'm not so much time was about the style of a style. In limlenkom or moji, but when I was sister about my quite I was saying limlenkom. I'll fuck my nice. I'll fuck my pella. New Ferranje. But more change 20 rand back near 2 ain't good. Like
That's like French kissing a cow. Actually.
Yeah.
You're actually French kissing a cow.
I don't want to come and call me pilot.
Same thing though.
Yeah.
50 rand.
Okay. That's special.
That's why I said and I'm not gonna buy shit. I think I'm a vampire. I'm not gonna buy no shit. babhekana ngamanye amehlo talk about Soweto Derby mfethu the only reason
Can I talk to the Afropolitans before you go to the derby?
okay
You'll realize that you won't hear my voice hearing on because top of the league, and I've beaten both of them. So
Whatever,
please go ahead.
please. Whatever.
Speak among yourselves.
Whatever.
whatever ukhuluma ngale club yama All Croc lapha ePitori
I'm all clock and shy baba.
ayikapheli league jo man the only reason why angizo favor Chiefs mongangaya amanamba ka Sis Jessica but ayikaba yabona Sis Jessica mtawonga mabhakani yani Sis Jess dog Sis Jess ngathi wameli jazz ala sister serious mina ngamani kwata nginandaba mina meka ngithola no Jess ngamtshela ngathi are you Jess lo
Yes.
Sis Jessica yo angazisola ukuthi bekenzani yo la sister kombona mara bro all right like ngine funeral plan e Chiefs for la sister too Pekimphumula lo mntwana abo Pirates obviously the Pirates nomunye ugogo uthanda ukuhagana lapha akhagele yagogo uthi singirata athi yena amathamba wahlangane amathamba
But Jess.
amara Sis Jess angwasaba ubhutbaka ngibasaba ubhutbaka ngithi omunye lo bani ukheza upo anginandaba nalo omunye omncane ubani Kaizer
Junior,
Junior
yeah.
ala sister futhi angeke ngenze vocal yami mntwana Jess Sis Jess mina ngamtshela amanye amagama ngamvusa ebusuku ngo2 ngikhala athini ngithi ngiyakuthanda ngamvusa ngo2 ekseni ngiyakuthanda George manje ukhalana into yasilale ke Jess Jess mina bangahlomba yabona Jess masingahlomba this Saturday next week Saturday u7 days pregnant angidlali no Jess Jess uyamazi Jess asikhulumi nanoma alela asikhulumi ngabokarabo baku generations abafuna amadoda ayi2 sikhuluma ngo Jess because abathi Jess uyajola wena hayi jola sister imele mina so Sis Jessica if you're listening my numbers are 082 I'm changing Jess la sister Bobinho lalela mina ngamane ngabasupport abantwana bami as long as ngijona no Jess iChiefs isabanika ama t-shirt babe right Jess dog ngamane ngimposte njengombalula poste le yanto ngithi Jess Jessica ngiyamthanda le mntwana
#Jess.
ngicela manje Sis Jessica ukuthi kunomuntu okuthiwa usikhumba iPirates ngiyayiyeka for Jess Jess Sis Jess futhi ujwayele lezi azidla ama prawns ama asparagus zidla ama salads for no reason ama cappuccino
Cream cheese.
uzobahamba nami sidla noma yini as long as ngino Jess thanda Jess dog Jessica yo la mntwana ngamane ngiboshe serious hayi
As long as.
la mntwana ngambona ku Boys to Men ngaloko ngimbhenga ngathi I'll make love to you and bengimina ke lo ngiphuma nendeni thank you Sis
#Jess.
ngamenza ama prawns mina ngamenza prawn yo Jess yo
So,
just try labo mayimani babhizi ngesilungu hayi la kimi sikhuluma isizotsi and yabona ujayele ukukhuluma isilungu ngene ngithi hey baby manje ngimkwatela ngimbizi Jess ngiza Jessica ngilalela Jessica Jessica uzongidina ke indaba yabo musi uzongidina okay sorry baby it's fine Jess it's fine oh Jess Jess la kubiza ngepatient ungathi Jess ngathi sibiza Jess Jess stop
Yeah. JESSSSS.
good luck to Chiefs of it as long as Jess I'll be right young intense Jess happy right
It's okay.
abo Floyd Mbele nalo fishane baye
Kaya FM listener ski tour to the French Alps from the 10th to the 17th of April 2016. We're broadcasting right here from William Nicol. That's Gone Skiing, and we're with Moji. You've been good so far, my brother. Thank you very much for joining us, by the way. That's not goodbye, by the way.
Oh.
You're still here. You are still here, my
No,
brother.
it's been great. It's been lovely.
Where are we going? French?
French Alps.
No jazz.
Oh, no, for real now. Tess, you better get here. You better be. No. She must come through now. She must come with us to the French Alps.
Yo, angaba mnandi.
See, I'm prawns, no hashtag.
No jazz. See, I'm skiing, my wall climbing. As long as jazz, I'm happy.
I have.
You're right.
This thing must happen. So, Gareth Cliff and Mnet. I mean, that's a very interesting story.
Can they just fire him, Joe? Can Gareth Cliff just get it into his head that he's fired?
Really?
Like, no. As a help, I'm going to uhleli nemonkey. Uhleli nemonkey. Angithi siyi monkeys. No, Gareth Cliff must just get alive, Joe. Gareth Cliff he's got his radio show going on. Cool, chap, Joe. You said what you said. Gareth Cliff is always hiding under people. He's racist. He must just come out and say it, Joe. He doesn't like us. We don't like him very much.
Yeah.
Fuji as the judge, if he says yes or no, it's still the same. The winners are still black. It's fine, Joe. So
he must just shut up as long as Tina says nobody hashtag.
No chest. Like they must find a new judge on Idols, and like you can tell that Jazz can sing. You can tell that Jazz can sing. If Jazz is on Mzansi Magic trending for no reason. Yes, it's a yes from Jazz.
Mnet, if you're looking for an extra judge, hashtag.
Oh, Jazz. Jazz.
Thank you very much. So what are you up to this weekend, my friend?
Off to Sekunda tonight, doing Sekunda.
What happens in Sekunda, my goodness?
I don't know if there's people there, but I'm going to Sekunda, and if possible, via no Jazz. And then come back tomorrow morning. We are chilling with Bramoji at the Derby. Yeah, at the Derby, and then after that, yeah, so kind of Masus for Kaiser Chiefs because obvious because we're going to Jazz. But I'm doing something. I'm shooting a movie on Monday.
A movie?
Yeah, from Mzansi Magic. I'm playing a bad guy. I don't know if I'm gonna kill that role, but I'm playing a bad guy, Joe.
No, that's easy for you. You're wearing a Pirates shirt, for goodness sake.
So I'm shooting a movie for 4 days, and Friday morning I'm back on radio.
All right.
Nice playing.
All right. No, this is fantastic. Godspeed, my brother. Are you driving or flying?
He's got a driver now, by the way.
Oh, man.
No, it's not, but he's my brother. It's not my driver.
No, Moji, we're not all like you.
I want to be successful. Right, I don't know right. What's the chance? So I said, "Show me that control chance." Can we make it happen? But can we have Jessica like tomorrow? Don't know. I'll pay.
So if you meet Jazz on Saturday, by next week Saturday she'll be pregnant.
7 days, you must be right. 7 days pregnant, Joe. Like ready.
Yeah.
Ready. Like for I can test today, Joe. I ask him, like, let's do HIV testing. Good, I'll start me. When I'm ready, when I don't test, just you can tell right. Just right. Just doesn't have to test. Joe.
Nothing about.
You can tell good la yellow only negative. Oh, test. But I never test. I never test. I'm Ruby, but test. I'm a test. I'm a lady pando. Test. I'm a test. I'm a country. I will test the country. When I never test, I will play the man to piece. Testani. Must test. The people that are negative don't write low. Most of my man, you can tell this guy is responsible who write. I have a testan. You send it to me on Twitter. Testani. But test abantu abanye nje lo lo nyaka uyonke kuphela lo ngeke kuphela lo nyaka lona abogweda batest ababheki in fact not data akatest I can't write test no wonke umuntu wangosuthi noba umntwana akangena testana mangabe sekule kwenzakalani ke test abantu kule country asiteste nonke umuntu akateste but sibe right.